Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome to our lesson 10 about phonics with the short U and ending blends. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and review that short U sound by reading these words. You tap the first one out, and then I'll tap it out, and we'll see if we match. I see ch, much. Now try the second one. I see p, s. Look at that suffix. For the next one, I see sh, t, shut. Go ahead and try the last one. I see s, l, g, slug. Good job, boys and girls. Now let's go ahead and add our new skill, which is ending blends. We learned about beginning S blends, like in the word slug last week. You can see that right here. And now we're going to work on blends that come at the end of a word. Listen to me sound this first one out. St, must. You try the next one. Hopefully you got j, p, jump. Try the one after that. Did you get hunt? One more to go. Hopefully you read lend. All of those words have ending blends, two consonants sitting right next to each other that each make their own sound. I see the ST blend in must, the MP blend in jump, the NT blend in hunt, and the ND blend in lend. Let's go ahead and sort these pictures into pictures that have an ending blend, pictures that have a short U, and pictures that have both an ending blend and a short U. Our first picture shows someone doing a jump. Do you hear an ending blend, a short U, or both? I hear both. J, p. I hear the short U, and I hear the ending blend, p. Let's look at the next one. I see a hand. Does the word hand have an ending blend, a short U, or both? Hand has only an ending blend. My vowel sound in the word hand is a short A sound. My next picture is of an ant. Do you hear an ending blend, a short U, or both? I hear just an ending blend, nt. My vowel sound is a. This next picture shows some rust. Do you hear an ending blend, a short U, or both? I hear both. St. I hear the short U in the middle, and my ending blend, st. Let's look at the last picture. I see two little lion cubs giving each other a hug. Does the word hug have an ending blend, a short U, or both? No ending blend in the word hug. It does have a short U sound though, so we'll place our cubs right there. We only had two words that had a middle short U sound and an ending blend. Our words were jump and rust. Let's go ahead and try to write those words on the next page. Okay, there are my two words, or my two pictures, jump and rust. Let's try to write jump first. Let's tap out all the sounds that we hear. J, p. Now let's go ahead and write it. J, p. Jump. Boys and girls, and a little bit later in foundations, you're going to learn that when you have a blend, you underline each letter separately so that you remember they each make their own sound. Let's go ahead and try the word rust now. Let's tap it. R-A-S-T. R-A-S-T. I'll go ahead and mark that ending blend too. We wrote the words jump and rust. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, that's all, folks. Have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.